Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Kelly of KoreanON. 안녕하세요, 켈리입니다. Woo! Today we're gonna talk about how to greet people in Korean. In English, we can say hi, hello, how are you? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and even hey, hi you. There's a lot of expression in English. But in Korean, I can combine those expressions into one expression. Let's take a look. So when you meet a person in Korea, like hello, how are you, which is kind of formal expression, which is in Korean, 안녕하세요, 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 켈리입니다, 안녕하세요. So make sure that Asian people, when they say hi or hey, how are you, they all the time have 안녕하세요, like 안녕하세요, like 안녕하세요, 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 and all the time. Or you can say hi, hey, very close relationship. You can say 안녕, like a classmate. 안녕, 안녕, 안녕. Very easy, right? 안녕. But if you say that, if you add you at the end of a sentence, which means make the sentence more polite, but if you delete the you, 안녕하세, like that, nobody uses the expressions. So make sure that 안녕하세요 or 안녕, okay? 안녕하세요 or 안녕. Let's assume that I have a job interview today. So when I meet the person for the first time, I can say 안녕하세요, 처음 뵙겠습니다, 켈리입니다, like that. So which means 처음 뵙겠습니다, 처음 뵙겠습니다, 처음 뵙겠습니다. In English, we can say nice to meet you, but in Korean, a little tricky. It's hard. We have to practice. Okay, let's do it again. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. One more time. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Okay? So in English, you can say that good morning, good afternoon, good evening. But we can combine all these expressions again. What? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. But in case of the good morning, sometimes you can say that 좋은 아침입니다. It's really good morning. 좋은 아침입니다. I can say that this is not that used frequently in Korea, but we can say that 정말 좋은 아침이야. It's a really nice morning. It's a really good morning. We can say that in Korean. 좋은, good morning, 아침. 좋은 아침입니다. So we learn three expressions. First one is 안녕하세요. Second one is 처음 뵙겠습니다. Third one, 좋은 아침입니다. 좋은 아침입니다. Let's write it down together and speak one more time. Let's get started. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. And 좋은 아침입니다. 좋은 아침입니다. 좋은 아침입니다. One more time. 좋은 아침입니다. Final one. No, 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. One more time. 처음 뵙겠습니다.
The 비읍, the right how to use is 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is how to write in correct way. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 뵙겠습니다.
So today we learn about the how to say hi or hello in Korean. 안녕하세요. 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 Or very casual expression 안녕. 안녕. Just say hi. 안녕. When you want to say nice to meet you in Korean, which is 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 처음 뵙겠습니다. 뵙다, which means see. It's like a very polite expression you can use to kind of very formal situation. Okay, 처음 뵙겠습니다. 안녕하세요. 처음 뵙겠습니다. Or 안녕. 안녕. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about Korean, please leave a comment. I will happy to reply or I consider them for the next chapter of my video. 다음에 뵐게요. See you later.